We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just want to say thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Today's video is going to be about what actually happened on my birthday and what I actually planned to happen on my birthday. I just was not feeling like, I was just not feeling like myself. And you know what? Normally, like right before my birthday, I need a blood transfusion. I am a sickle cell warrior. If you don't know, I do have a few sickle cell videos. I'll make sure to leave in the description box below. But I ended up feeling like so bad for my birthday, like really bad. My blood level wasn't too low, like right before, like Wednesday, right before my birthday. My birthday was Thursday, but when I went back to the doctor, it was like, it was worse. So I believe that it was just like kind of a combination of me just kind of being in not the best of mood to kind of stay on top of taking my medicine and just kind of being overwhelmed with a lot of stuff, family issues. It was just so much going on. I ended up like not even really doing anything for my birthday, just kind of staying in and kind of rebuilding and like regaining my strength. So it wasn't the best birthday, but I can honestly say that I'm thankful to be here another year. There's gonna be plenty more birthdays that I have to celebrate. And I just wanted to kind of let you guys know, because I wanted to like dance. I wanted to dance like the entire weekend for my birthday. And I just was not in the mood to do anything. Like I wasn't even in the mood to like get out of bed. So it was like the complete opposite. Yeah, it was kind of bad. But I'm okay, I'm doing better now. I'm just happy to actually be alive. You know, warriors aren't like really expected to have a long life span. So it's just kind of like, you know, I gotta take what I can take sometimes. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for being patient with me. I just want to thank you guys so much for genuinely supporting my channel and showing me love. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you won't be missing any of my uploads. And give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.